Hi, Pankaj. Hi, Prashant.
Sir,
So we can start now. I think nobody will join. So, so today's topic will be DNA spaces. So, what is DNA spaces? So, DNA spaces is location-based services. So, whenever you are deploying any wireless controller access point, so you require some client location. So, DNA spaces gives you client location. So Cisco is not at no, right now, but it is since 13 years for the Wi-Fi location services. So in 2007 they have launched location service appliance. In 2008 they have MSC mobility service engine appliance 3300. Then they have upgraded version. Then they have launched CMX 10.1. So continuously they are upgrading and they are enhancing their location-based services and sorry. So now it is DNA spaces 19. So DNA spaces gives you digitize the people and things. So earlier days, wireless is used for the connectivity. Now we can use wireless as a digitizing. We can use on our business purpose also. So we have multi-domain policy also. We have artificial intelligence based analytics. Then we have assurance, 5G, IoT devices. So everything is now come with our wireless portfolio. So on today's we are applying IBN. IBN means intent-based networking. So intent-based networking is provided by DNA Center. So DNA Center is cloud-based approach which has SDN capability. SDN is software-defined networking capability. So so now we have Catalyst 9100 series access point, Catalyst 9800 series wireless controller, then DNA automation and insurance, then we have DNA spaces. So if we have full wireless stack, so whenever we are providing any wireless solution, we have to pitch 9100 access point, 9800 series controller, then DNA automation. So DNA automation is a platform where we can give a better automation like any problem resolution or any kind of alert generation or so many automation are there in the DNA automation and assurance, and we have DNA spaces for the location services. So this is our full Catalyst 9100 series, Catalyst 9K series. So we have Catalyst series access point, Catalyst series switches, then for the distribution and core switches. So we have full Catalyst 9K series, which is used for the access point, access switches, distributions and core switches and wireless controller. And it is fully automated. So there is no manual interruption required whenever any your device is failed or any problem occurs for any configuration problem occurs. So it is fully it can network is automatically resolve all problems. So we have like in access point we were using WPA2, now we have WPA3, uh, and we have more analytics also switches switches. So it is very delayed in the sense we have slow down time because when we are updating software, so you don't have any downtime in this because it is automatically updated and yeah, and it is using in service software upgrade. So within whenever you are utilizing, then it can upgrade automatically. So we have secure security inbuilt in control access points, uh, traffic analysis. So your traffic will be encrypted. And earlier we were using PA2, now W3, and this system in the controller and access. So intelligent features available in this at least 91 wireless. So we at least 90 control access point. So nowadays is also VMware is a even control. So we have cloud version of these controller. Mm, So this is our solution. Uh, we have some six parts like Stanley, or Miz- is gone. Mm, sorry. So now my screen is visible to everyone. So DNA Spaces is cloud-based solution, and it is we have some partners, external, six partners which involved in our some it is providing some enhanced services to us, and it is taking feeds from the Meraki MVC camera collaboration system. So everything they are taking feeds. So this is so now we have a access point WebEx code, which is used for the room occupancy and room finder. You rooms level like we have multiple VC rooms. We are not finding any uh, uh, empty room. So a WebEx code can identify which room is available right now. So it is taking WLC as radius and provide some location-based services and open roaming. And we have MV series camera. It send all feeds, all camera analytics. It can be analyzed by the DNA Spaces connector. So we have some AD manager also available in this, which can connect to the DNA Space connector and provide enhanced analytics to the DNA Spaces. So we have six plans and six business partners. So this is the segment we the DNS like we have corporated enterprise or retails or any shopping malls, any kind of customer we can pitch DNS spaces. We have the healthcare segment, hospitality, Asian manufacturing. So these are the segments where we pitch our DNS spaces. So what is the business drivers? We have see and productivity. We have customer onboarding and acquisition, and you can improve your customer experience. You can understand behavior of your visitors or employees, and we can integrate or extend any software this DNS. Then we can improve our IT productivity also. So this is our six business partners like Map. It is for the map making and wayfinding. Like you can create your map or your architecture of the building. Any kind of map you can create with Map. Then we have local measure for the social sentiment, and we have Stanley Healthcare for the patient tracking, or we have also for Penny and Involvo for the attendance tracking. So Involvo is where there is enterprise, so you want attendance of the employees, or if you have any classrooms like in the education sector, you want to just capture attendance of the students, so you can use this. And then we have Concretio for the asset management. So yeah, if you have multiple assets like printers, RFS scanners, so many kind of devices you can manage with this. um, so this is our full map of the DNA spaces. So we are taking feeds from every devices, Webex port and Meraki, and we are providing enhanced capability. And we are using our part six partners, and we are providing multiple features like customer acquisition, loyalty, customer satisfaction, and asset tracking, guest experience. So we can track the guest experience. So everything can be tracked via DNA spaces. This is our value drivers. I will discuss into the next slides. So employee productivity. So you your employee behavior and identify their behavior based on the performance satisfaction. So how can you identify the employee productivity? So you can track their physical behavior, like when they are coming to the office, how much time they are spending into the desks, and how much time they are spending into the restaurant or canteen or other premises. So you can track their behavior on when they are coming, when they are going. So every behavior can be analyzed. So not even we are analyzing with our wireless connectivity. We are analyzing with our cameras also. Like we have MV series camera, so it can track the face recognition or so many things is available in the camera. So it send feed to the DNA spaces. So we can analyze behavior, and it can integrate with a human resource management system also with our external APIs. So it can improve your employee productivity. So this is how it can show. It is showing how many days of the week employees is present in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, day wise. You can compare multiple branches also. If you have multiple branches, so what percentage of employees coming? So everything can be tracked, and what is their dwell time? So how much time they are spending in their offices. Everything can be tracked by this. So it can show your so wireless is not doing this connected. So it is how you can improve your productivity of the wireless. We can find rooms, conference rooms, like if any customer have multiple conference rooms, and we so I so instead of searching one location to the another location, can be tracked by the DNS spaces. So DNS spaces can tell which rooms are empty, which rooms are not empty. So everything can be tracked by DNS spaces. So you uh, don't require to physically go there and just check which room is available. So it is very easy with the DNS spaces. So this is how you can improve employee productivity. So it can track also employee experience, like it can integrate with your resource management system, and we can notify all HR can send any notification to their employees. Like if they require any event information, they want to send any event information, any notification, so it can be sent to the all your employees with this our captive portal. So, so this is our engagement part. So it is a feature of engagement. Sorry, in DNA. So in like some employee may and it will really track those employee who is coming late and then send SMS to them with their SMS with SMS or email or any application. So it can so many kind of scenario you can send all your messages to those person or those employees. So this is how the room finder work. So yeah, room finder can track the client or devices with the Wi-Fi or any board via the face reduction, and it's sent to the DNA spaces. So our maze map is using for the map making. So it will map all your conference room, and green button if it is green, so it might be empty space. If it is red, then it might be your occupied room. So it can be detected easily with the DNA spaces. So this is how Mizmap is working. So we can improve our workspace analytics. We can utilize our space very better manner. Like sometimes what happens, many devices like wireless access point or wireless different devices. It might be not occupied, or so some rooms are not occupied fully. So DNA space can track all rooms space utilization based on the building. If you different buildings, so in this building, how much capacity it have and how much utilization it is. So everything can be tracked. Even for if suppose you have any guest house, sorry, any education sector, we have many hostels. There are multiple access points are deployed there. So sometimes what happens, some access point is not utilized more than the 90 days because there are a lot of access point, and sometimes no user are present there actually, and so it might not be utilized. So IT person can track those assets all easily and just put get those assets and send to the their location, their other location. So it can be utilized by the other location. So this kind of space utilization is available in this DNA spaces. So in meeting rooms also, there are 40% meeting rooms which is actually booked but not utilized. So it can be easily utilized. So this is how occupancy rate is it is showing. So it will show there is 100% capacity and what is their occupancy rate means there are occupancy of the 50 employees. Suppose 25 employees is coming. So it will show 50% occupancy rate. So every time, every days, it will track. So this is how behavior metrics can work. For the you can track all your cross offices occupancy. Uh, so guest onboarding. So we can provide a captive portal for the guest. So there are multiple captive portal for different location. So if you have multiple locations, you can use one captive portal for the all location, or you can apply any multiple captive portal for a different location. So we can capture all your data, all our data of the visitors or guests or any customers on the retail segment, and then utilize those data for the our business. So this is why uh, we are using captive portal. So this is how captive portal work. So it can show how, when to show or where to show, who to show. So everything can be tracked by captive portal. So this is how we can integrate with other system like lab system, IBM, human resource, and we have multiple our partners. Even we can integrate with our Cisco internal partner like Meraki, WebEx. So we can integrate every devices into the DNA spaces. So how we can improve IT productivity in the sense we can maintain, we can monitor in a single pane of the glass for every devices. We can detect and locate our assets. So we have unlimited scaling, and we have location context from the DNA spaces. So everything can be monitored or tracked. So by DNA spaces. So we can maintain our SLA also with DNA spaces. We can launch any ticket system like if IT ticket can be generated with DNA spaces. So everything can be done by DNA space. So we can support for 24 into 7, and we have this is the numbers our portal is handling day by day. So we have 20,000 million transactions per hours. We have 40,000 plus enterprise location worldwide. So this is our scale of how the portal can work. So this is maze map with maze map how we can detect devices. I will show in next demo. So our DNA cloud can be available with AWS, Amazon Web Services, or Google Cloud. We have started. So we have leader of IS leader for the Amazon Web Services. So we our traffic is also encrypted by because we have AES advanced encryption 256. So all your traffic can be encrypted, and then we have multi-factor authentication. So like you will get you can type your password and you will be SMS send you will send a OTP to your number. So we have multi-factor authentication. So and then we have GDPR compliance also. So GDPR compliance is very useful where the customer is looking for that my data is not going to the cloud. So GDPR compliance assure that customer data are not going to the cloud. So architecture. So we have different kind of architecture. Like if you we have WLC 9800 series, so can directly connect it to the DNA spaces. And if you we have earlier CMX, so it can be also connected to the DNA spaces. If we have WLC 8.0 or lower or uh, mm, not a updated version, so you required a DNA spaces connector. So connector can be installed on your premise in server. So so WLC will connect to the DNA space connector, and DNA space connector can communicate with the DNA spaces. And our Meraki cloud also can be integrated to the DNA spaces. So this is DNA spaces use cases, how in the retail segment it can work. So we can acquire like in the retail sector, many visitors are coming, like many customers are coming. So you can onboard those customers into the portal, and so you can provide Wi-Fi access, and in the captive portal you can capture all their data like a phone number or email, and after going you can just send them some your programs or some your offers, so it can deliver a good customer experience. And you also capture a customer experience also, like how which product customer is like customer want. And so everything can be tracked by DNA spaces, and even you can track uh, in all your retail customer, uh, all your retail branches, you can just benchmark like what is the performance of your different branches. Like in one branch, how many visitors are coming, how many customers are coming. So you can just check the trend. Even sometimes there are multiple sections like women's section, men's sections. So you can track the visitors by their behavior, what they want. Means if they are staying on into the men's section, it means they want some men related shoppings. So you can just track and those visitor and just send them such type of offers with this. So we can improve your our IT productivity also. So in the hospitality sector, it is very similar to the other sector. Like you can track your visitors' behavior. Like any guests are coming, so you can just track their data and send them offers. Like if they are staying on into the restaurant so many times, so you can send restaurant related offers. So many kind of offers you can send them. So you can track the guest experience, how their rooms. So you can improve your productivity for the our hotel rooms. For in the health care sector segment, we can track the assets like our X-ray room, X-ray devices, and so many testing devices. You can track how much they are utilizing and how much what is the patient experience. You can send them offers for the lab testing and any discounting. So any kind of offers, everything can be sent to the DNA spaces, and you can analyze the behavior of the customers or visitors. Like many visitors are coming and just checking which kind of offers they want, so you can easily track. In the education sector, you can do attendance, auto attendance. Like some students are coming to to the classroom. So how many students are coming and how much students are staying, how much time. So everything can be tracked, and how many students are spending their time on the library. So you can just check your students' behavior, means what they are doing. So everything can be tracked, and even you can track their experience. So in manufacturing segment, you can just track your all your assets like manufacturing equipment, your employees' behavior, your guest behavior. So everything can be tracked for the manufacturing segment. Even you can improve your operational efficiency, like you can track the assets and what is the efficiency of how much equipment, how many things are just manufacturing by certain assets. So everything can be tracked by the DNA space. So in the licensing part, we have three type of licenses: C, Extend, and Act. C part, we have behavior metrics, right now metrics. So behavior metrics is used for the identify the behavior. Then right now matrix is used for the who is the right now into your property. So and location hierarchy is provide hierarchy of the multiple locations. If you have multiple locations, so you can provide this DNA space and provide location hierarchy. Then we have open roaming, cloud direct. So these features are available in the C. Then Act part, we provide our captive portal, engagement, personas, operational insights. So yeah, this is available in the Act part. And Extend part is for the integration. Like if you want to integrate multiple your softwares, like our Cisco's partner, extended partners like Stanley, Map, or such kind of partners, or IBM or SAP, any kind of integration you required. So you can purchase extend part. So this is our licensing. So we have two type of licenses: DNA Advantage, DNA Premier. DNA Advantage have C and C as a default, and Extend is on an option. And in DNA Premier, DNA Spaces Extend is by default, and DNA Space Act is as optional. So this is how we have licenses. So if you require DNA space extend, instead of selecting in La Cartley model, you have to purchase bundle, because bundle is 50% less price. So we have a different kind of migration like MSC, CMX, from MSC CMX to the DNA spaces, so advanced to the DNA Spaces Act. So we have migration for the our customers, like who have already purchased MSC or CMX base or CMX advanced. So any kind of migration customer required, so it will be for the with this. So our architecture we have already seen. So this is how DNA space connector can connect to DNA spaces. So when you want to connect DNA spaces connector, so go to the customers our DNA spaces portal and claim your token and just put into the DNA space connector and you will be up and running. Similar with CMS, you can go to the our portal and similar with the Catalyst 9800 series. So this is the difference between the type of deployment. Like if you have DNA space connector, so every feature you will get, and if you have CMAX, so you, some feature will not work, like open roaming, API monitoring. So this feature will not work. So this is our difference comparison. Now I'm showing a demo. So this is how this is the DNA space portal. So we can see there are 33 locations and 554 44 access point, and how many location updates are available. Then we can check how much we are covering, and what are how many visitors are coming, and how many visits are coming. Like some visitors coming multiple times in repeat visit, so we can check their visits. So this is our so now we can see the location hierarchy. So this is multiple locations we have, and I can check and go drill down and go to the particular location. In this location, how many access points are there, so we can check what rules are applied, what are the engagements, what is the map. So map is there, so is not showing. So this is DNA space this is location hierarchy. Then sorry coming into the behavior matrix. So you can check the visitor's behavior in one location or multiple particular location. For a certain location, you can just filter any location. So it will show your specific location, which visit duration, visiting frequency. So it will show either in the block or in the graph. So this is our behavior matrix. Then we have right now matrix. Right now means who is currently into the office or into your premise. So in the 10 minutes there are 6048 visitors. So this will show any time, right, in the real time, uh, who are visiting. So it will show your map also. You can just drill down and check on the map. Then we have location analytics. So in this, it will show all your locations, SSID, and who are connected, who are not connected, how much time they are connected. So everything can be directed by what is their dual time, who is successfully connected. So everything it will show by this uh, location analytics. Then in the captive portal, we can capture guest information. Like we have different type of captive portal for the different SM authentication. Like if you require SMS authentication or email authentication, so any kind of authentication you can just check. You can put into the captive portal. So this is how captive portal look like. So here you can create your home screen. If you want put any logo, so then you can put. Then we have SMS authentication here. You can put your SMS authentication services. Then you can check. You can just put your SSID here. So you can put your if you have any map, then you can just upload your map here. So this is our captive portal. So we have different captive portal for the different locations. Then location personas. Then location personas, we can filter any specific visitors, like who is visiting on Saturday, Sunday into our restaurant. So lunch visitors we can select, or who is visiting Monday to Friday. So within the office duration. So is any kind of visitors we can track easily, and we can filter into the location personas. And in the location personas, then we utilize those location personas into the our engagement part. In engagement, we can just send them SMS offers, or who is uh, we can send them our discounting plans, everything, our registration bonus in the bank sector. So many kind of application, we send all our offers, engagement to them. Then we have asset locator. We can track our all our assets like a mobile or laptop, any kind of wireless devices. We can check list also in the map view also. We can easily track. So this is very important because we can just nowadays we have COVID situation, so we require to maintain our the social distancing. So this is very useful in the social distancing also, because we have map, then we have real time locations of our customers, so we can maintain our distancing. And if though two persons are less than very nearer, so we can just track and send them alert. So this is very useful in the COVID situation also. So this is our extended version map, for the map making or any kind of extension required. Then you can just integrate with your external APIs. So this is on development phase. So we have a lot of development in this. So any kind of question you can ask me. Any question? Okay, then we can conclude now. Then we have wrap up the session. Thanks.